Good morning, welcome back. This is Zero Draw Drew from Pip Catchers Administration. Welcome back to another weekly analysis. If you haven't smashed that subscribe button, please do so right now. Also, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up because that'll motivate us to continue doing these weekly analyses. Like I said in the previous videos, I'm going to vibe the first 20-30 minutes, and then once the charts are all set up, we're going to go over. So if you want to see, stick around to the end and we're going to go over everything. Let's go.
Smoke. Nigga, this a big boy phantom, this ain't a ghost. Had to take the weight from them niggas and then they toast. They ain't had no sympathy for me when I was broke. Amen, amen. Lord forgive me for all my sins. Took so many risks just to get a Benz. Pray for my niggas, all my friends. In the trenches, one with killers, we been getting it in. 32 shots in my new Glock. Niggas wanna hit me like I'm Tupac. Bad bitch, fuck me in my Gucci tool socks. Remember when I spent my real on a ooh pop pop. Your favorite rapper, a mumble rapper. Walk up in this bitch, a bunch of killers and humble trappers. I can go to Hollywood to call in the jungle action. With niggas that'll smoke, you gon' murder your brother. Whoa, big dog, nigga, I'm a big dog. Trees said they need that dope, they having withdrawals. I put on my yellow diamonds when I'm pissed off. I'm so rich that I can't even fuck a bitch raw. Whoa, do you know the feeling?
Got this range.
So you a fucking mouse, nigga. Pour champagne cause all my niggas dead. They ain't in the graveyard, then they in the feds. I give a fuck if that crown heavy, put it on my head. Take it to the jeweler, bust it down before I wear it. Cause I'm a king just like Martin Luther. I ain't a hater, fuck my bitch, nigga, I salute ya. I be flying jet and chopper like that shit was Uber. We finally made it out them trenches, nigga, hallelujah. Whoa, ballin' like a hot boy. Darn decent on me more than just be block boy. I'm a boss, I don't wanna call a shots, boy. You a thotty, I'ma cut you like a cop, boy. No way, ooh, I just cashed out. How the fuck you turn a bando to a glass house? How the fuck you get a 2 to 4 barrel out? Got your favorite Instagram bitch with her ass out. Hey, make her touch your toes, make her touch your toes. Run up like a million of a couple shows. Trapping at the wall, dog, we just fucking hoes. And the love it at Chanel, they gon' sell their souls. Rolling through the gutter, I ain't never bold. You would think this will afford you, how we selling hoes. Plug just caught, he got another load. He don't want me get him sold. Nigga out that dirt. Young niggas still fucking all the best bitches on earth. When I'm off in them trenches, I'm a hot boy like Turk. Third shot is itching, it ain't got boy, that's work. You need pop pussy, no twerk. Nigga, we tryna make that money machine break. Shoot it at my gas van like this teammate. Nigga, we used to trap it by the spring gate. 80 baby, that could crack up in my DNA. Oh, scary house. Walk outside the land, they gon' let you fit the show. You know what it was when you heard they let me out of here. Living like a plug, nigga, I ain't selling powder, no way. Big bag, talk to Santa Claus. Got 3 hoes on that Molly ripping panties off. Flying private to Dubai, we up them Zanny bars. Oh, scary house, turn the cameras off, please. Ain't this what they been waiting for? You ready? I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear view. Got shorty, she tryna bless me like I said I do. Like a nigga sneeze, nigga please for them trick squeeze. I'm getting cream, never let them hoes get in between. The wolf started, little nigga, but I'm lying hearted. They love me when I was stuck and they hated when at the party. I go and get it.
Broke out of the range.
Crawling, went straight to walking with foreigns in my garages of foreign bitch from the Nazi.
fucking sucker that's swallowing anything for $1. They tell me get him a dollar.
I did it without an album. I did shit with Mariah. Love nigga, I'm on fire. Icy as a hockey ring, Philly nigga, I'm flying. When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was lease. Then I bought that new Ferrari, hey the rest in peace. Hey the rest in peace to the parking lot. Phantom so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about my niggas, then what you talking about?
Gangsta moving silence,
nigga, and I don't talk a lot. I don't say a word. I don't say a word, was on my grind and now I got what I deserve. Fuck nigga, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? When I wore the ass tomorrow, y'all thought it was rented. Flexing on these niggas, I'm like Popeye on this finish. Double MD, that's my team, rotated captain, I'm lieutenant. I'm the type can to me, can't think grind like I'm broke. That Lambo, my new bitch, she don't ride like my ghost. I'm riding around my city with my hands strapped on my toes. Cause these niggas wanna be dead, and I gotta make it back home. Cause my mama
need that pill money, my son needs that milk.
These niggas try to take my life, they fuck around, get killed.
You fuck around, you fuck around, you fuck around, get smoked. Gotta wait on GJ. There's nothing here. We're in uncharted zone. We need price action. Like I said, we're gonna mark up a little bit, come back later, put our finishing touches, put our notes, and then boom, 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 let's go.
And they be throwing deuces on the same nigga they watch. None the king of my city, cause I'm still calling them shot. And these lanes talking that bullshit, the same niggas that fly. I'm the same nigga from birth, give them that brains that lie. The same nigga that came up and I had to wait for my side. And these niggas hating on me, hoes waiting on me. Still on that hood shit, my Rolls Royce on me. They gon' remember me, I say remember me.
So much money, how your friends turn your enemies. With the memories. When there's beef, I turn my enemies to memories. Love the game like me. It was something about that rollie when it first touched my wrist. The boy when it first touched that brick was down. Oof, if you love that song, smash a like right now. Let's go, 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 baby.
Baby, I'm the man. Couple hundred bands in the car. Villa in a mansion. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga.
Oh, we got that correction. That's what I wanted. I don't really eye Euro USD, but I was looking for the support level to form last week, and it didn't.
In the knees. Can't cut me, bitch, please. You know who to call when your man do ball too smart, no lazy. Cause I'm up 000, comma. Heard you looking for his monster. And you gon' have to ride this anaconda. Baby, I'm the man. Couple hundred bands in the car.
Exactly what I wanted.
I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. Come and go with my niggas. Bring more bitches. It's no pretending that we've been getting to it all night. I'm off so much liquor. Probably did a couple things that my girl won't like. Real life, wait, gotta slow it down, let the hair right. Try and take it to the hotel, yeah right. Talking about she won't tell, yeah right. I already know the finesse, and I don't answer like it's bill collector. Shorty tryna act so reckless, I don't even stress it. We gotta go next to breakfast. Shorty saw the wings on the bar. Gotta buy her plans for the bar. Best friend next room, add to the bar. Cause I'm that nigga. I'm on the boss down, baby. She Shorty got her own, but she can't find a nigga like me. Baby, I'm the man. Couple hundred bands in the car. Villa in a mansion. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. With my niggas.
Gold Swing TP is smashed from the first live analysis. If you want to go back and watch, we called it from down here. No cap, no cap, no cap, all free info. Gold's going past previous highs in 1921. Once we break there, probably push the new highs.
Yeah, we was hanging at the bando, fully loaded clip when it snatched up a Benzo. Threw them Dracos out of LA on a PJ, and we taking off no delay. No delay, we taking up the murder rate. Everything from Chinto to Parquet, all of my beginning, have a T8, better relay. Money coming through, blue hundreds on impact. Married to the game, caught new pink stones. No new friends, caught by new phones. Asked them money need to be the right one. Double up my cousin, pop one. Caught new drops up an edge at none.
Bulls are strong. We're gonna see a reaction here though. 1921, definitely.
No evidence, no lacking. Take the routine, go to re-up. Fully loaded magazine when you see us. It's a full-time job, trying to stay on point. Block 4-0, high low points, yeah. Skinny jeans on me with a stendo. Hanging with them young niggas flocking, pulling kick those. Yeah, we was hanging at the bando, fully loaded shotgun. Snatched up the Benzo. Threw them Dracos out of LA on a PJ, and we taking off no delay.
Those are strong.
No delay, we taking up the murder rate. Everything from Chinto to Parquet.
Game chose me, ain't choose this. Empty at the clip before you lose this.
If you're sitting on your back and your shoulder, you gotta ride, you gotta spray like a soldier. Vultures, they come with the territory. Between your motor is mandatory. Whipping the soda, be cool, do the speed. Make it on interstate, 10 and achieve. This is not regular time, you gon' bleed. Came from the game, ain't no touch with your keys. From the cook up to the tour bus. You see, for our ambition took us. We bring all the hood niggas with us. The non-believers, we made them believers. My block to your block, they love homicide. Looking like a foreign dealership outside, yeah.
Gotta paint the picture, bro. Have fun with this shit. If you look at trading like it's boring, you'll never be successful. I look at it like an art. In the 15. I'ma risk it again. Breaking my heart, breaking my heart. Tearing me up, tearing me apart. This greed and this evil, don't know where to go, don't know where to start. Wow. 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 Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. New week, fuck Memorial Day, yo. I've been trading for the last 4 years, bro. Go back into my recaps, Excel sheets. I've been trading Memorial Day. We always catch a move Memorial Day, so I'm not taking off. Let's go. If that's what the question was, but use minimal risk because it is a holiday, so you never know. That's how I usually go about it. count it up, count it up, count it up, count it. Count it up, count it up. Now we put our finishing touches, bro. Count it up, 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 count it up.
I know that it's difficult. I'm stacking this paper, it's sort of habitual. I blow the residual and fucking your bitch like it's part of my ritual. Part of the ritual, but money you give me your heart on it's typical. I wanted it physical, $1 million I count up in intervals. Without it I'm miserable. Don't wanna fall off, so I'm all in my bag. Thinking God like it's physical. I know it's gonna solve every problem I have. I bought on the principle. Remember the teachers was all on my ass. Now look all of them pitiful, and all of a sudden I'm so good at math. Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up. Count it up, count it up, count it.
Can't take it when you die, but you can't live without it.
Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up.
Ooh, GBP, 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 this range, what are we gonna do? Big bills, big bills.
I fell in love with big wheels and quick thrills. My niggas running tip drills, can't sit still. Don't give a fuck if it kills. It mixed well. I'm only counting big bills, big bills. I fell in love with big wheels and quick thrills. My niggas running tip drills, can't sit still. Don't give a fuck if it kills. It mixed well. I'm only counting.
Okay. I was kind of thinking. Proceed with caution. Proceed with caution. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Proceed with caution. I heard if you taste it, it only results in a hole in your heart. Fuck it, I take the whole cake and I won't even portion.
Don't chase it, let it come to you. Like I said, GJ, we're not doing anything with this. Yo, USD found that support. Can't take it when you die. Big bills. I fell in love with big wheels and quick thrills. My niggas running tip drills, can't sit still. Don't give a fuck if it kills. It mixed well. I'm only counting big bills, big bills. I fell in love with big wheels and quick thrills. My niggas running tip drills, can't sit still. Don't give a fuck if it kills. It mixed well. I'm only counting. Okay. Okay. 1802. This high. Right there. 1900.
Weezy out of here.
Okay, alright, let's go over it. Alright. Okay, alright. I need some music. Sorry, I'm not really good at making videos, so I need shit in the background. You know what I mean? So let's go. We're a trader. Bulls are strong on gold, as you can see right here. We are watching this 1921 resistance level. That's where the previous all-time high was. Still got 200 pips before we get to that point. But if you look on the daily chart, we might see some sort of reaction at this level, 1902.40. We did break this trend line. This wick took out this level. Bulls are strong. Now on the hourly, I'm looking for bear trap to one of these levels. I'm thinking 1900 or even this level right here. We're looking for bear traps for the entry, for the buy, because I think this thing is going to continue moving up at least to the previous all-time highs, which is at 1921. Once we get up to 1921, we could decide where price is going to go after there. So yeah, that's gold. Right now, bulls are strong. I'm going to put my notes. If I don't spell right, please don't make fun of me. Just really not a good speller. Never was, never will be. And I'm not going to get better. I'm telling you that right now. But I will get better at trading. Bulls are strong on gold. Prices heading to 1921 past resistance level. We're looking for entries. Bear traps, key levels listed, watching trend line and 1902 support. Need bears to get trapped before buy ops on valid. Wait for price action. So that's gold. Euro USD. Euro USD, like I said, the bulls are strong on here as well. We took out this weekly candle. Price is holding this 1.21530 support level. Price is still looking like it wants to head higher. It should have done it already, but it's looking to do so. It did find that support level at 1.21500, like I said last week's analysis. So now we're just basically looking for a bear trap to one of these levels, a little bit more price action. Also, we are looking at this trend line right here. So we could possibly get a bear trap here. Price could dip in, come back, and then make our way up. So we're watching. Alright, so we're watching this level and the trend line. Looking for bear traps to buy up to here. All buyers' liquidity is about this level right here, but I do see price moving to its weekly highs at 1.23600 eventually. Eventually. Alright, so I'm going to put the notes. Also, to find better entries, you can look for it on a 15-minute. So on the 15-minute chart, we are sort of finding this crown pattern. This was the level that I was looking at on the hourly. So right here, we do want to see price drop in, trap bears, and then find its way up if that presents itself. We don't enter trades. We don't blindly buy or sell. We wait for price to react. Even price could come down and trap bears at this level. So that's why you never really want to jump in until the opportunity is confirmed. Right? So that's the level. So the same thing I drew on the hour. Now we're just waiting for the move to come to us. Watching these levels. Use proper risk management, win more than you lose, and you shouldn't have a fucking problem. With this game, like I said, you just gotta practice, back test, and the picture will come together one day. One day. Alright, so that's Euro USD. I'm gonna write our notes real quick. Also, all these charts are going to be posted in our free group on EchoFin, so if you want to go back and check and look at the notes and all that crap, just check our EchoFin. It's for free. It's in our Instagram bio. So if you need the link to that, just go on my Instagram.com/zerodrawdrew, and it's all in the bio. Alright, so Euro USD bulls are holding 1.21 500 key support. Price looks to push to new highs. We're watching new levels. Alright, Euro USD bulls are holding 1.21 500 key support, and price looks like it wants to push to newer highs. We're watching key levels listed in trend lines for barrel trap for buy opportunity to resistance level 1.22450 and above. Wait for price action. That's Euro USD. We did gold. Alright, now your GBP JPY. I don't really like this pair, not right now. We're in a weird spot. Price broke out of nowhere last week. I don't know why this broke out and GU didn't. Makes me think maybe GU might drop with it, because this looks like a pump and dump. There was no, the structure is very weak, but there's no reason to sell this yet. We are watching resistance levels here for price action to possibly form. When price action forms, we can make a decision, but right now there is nothing that I would do with GBP JPY. Nothing. Which, I could use this for something else. I could use this and see that GBP rallied with GBP JPY, which means that the other GBP was probably supposed to rally, but the reason why it didn't was because the dollar was strong or whatever, was going on. I don't know much about fundamentals, but that's probably the reason, which means all GBP pairs might do the same thing. This might just be a pump and dump, but the bulls do look strong on GU right now too. I do feel like price is going to push a little bit higher against the dollar. So GU, EU, they all look strong, but I don't know what's going to happen with this range. I think price might break out past its highs first and then drop to the bottom of the range, because this is a range. So we are watching price action. We are watching all these levels. It's gonna, we could find trades out of this. So basically, I'm looking for a bear trap here or even here, because this trend line is pretty strong right here. So we could find a bear trap. They trap bears, and then we buy it to this top and maybe even the high, because all liquidity for the buyers are above this. But we're gonna have to wait for price once we get there to make a decision to see if it continues or if it's going to drop back into value down to this level right here, which it can do that, since the structure with GBP overall, as you can see with GBP JPY, is pretty weak. So we might get one more push with all the pound pairs, and then right after that push, trigger all those buyers, and then we could probably drop down to support. So we'll play it by day. We are watching these key levels. There are going to be moves with GU. Just GJ I don't want to mess with. So GBP USD. I'm sorry. I don't like this. I don't like it quiet, man. I don't like quiet, man. Bugatti's in my face. Actually, welcome to the new age. to the new age, to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright. GBP USD in this range. You know, the one thing that I do notice though is every time I see this type of candle, we get some sort of breakout. So I don't know what's gonna happen. We just have to play this by day. Price can technically just push through this level. The dollar might just end up crashing. Who knows? But we're gonna play it by day, because right now on the daily chart, this thing is reading up. You know, price took out this rejection. We held this rejection. We are pointing to those highs. I just don't know if price is gonna come back into that range after to test these support levels. Like this level right here, it looks like it might need to be tested first, but I don't know if we're gonna push higher first. So we're gonna wait for a price action. If price does push higher first, we're gonna look for the bull trap. If price dips first, we're gonna look for the bear trap. So yeah, look, we're looking at this 650 resistance level. We took out that 650 resistance level, so we might get that bear trap that I was saying before at that level. Bulls look strong. 650 resistance. To be honest with you, I really don't want to see this thing continue to move up. I'd rather it break out and come back into the range, because I really like to trade that type of price action. You know, when things push to new highs, you have trends like this, and these are hard to catch. You just gotta wait for price to form, and then you can make your decisions from there. So I'm gonna explain one more time what I'm looking for. Let me lower this so you guys could hear me. GBP USD, bulls do look strong on the daily chart. We may push to highs one time before we fill this range real quick, and then you know, find price action there. That's what I would like to see, but at the same time, price can continue to break up. So we just got to see what happens if we get an impulse wave through this level, or if it's weak structure. We'll be able to make a decision, you know, after price reacts. So basically, we are watching this 1.41670 level. We're also watching this level right here. If we get a break above before the bear trap, we could get a short opportunity. But if we get a break down, the bear trap first, and then we get the buy opportunity. So that's what I'm looking for GU. GJ, like I said, there's nothing going on here. Price is just in this range. We broke out without rejecting. You know, structure is very weak. You know, there's people trying to buy this, trying to buy this, trying to buy this. Me, I'm waiting for price to react to these levels, form better price action for us to make our decision later in the week. That's GJ. Euro USD is reading similar price action to GBP USD. Bulls are strong on the weekly. We took out this resistance level 1.21530. We've been holding it the last 2 weeks. We do need to find something on the daily chart. We do have this wick right here, which might push it higher. Whoops. We just have to wait for price action to form the trap bears. You know, one of these levels on the hourly. So we're watching, you know, like I said, this trend line. We're also watching this key level right here, 800. And we're also watching 800. We're also watching this previous double top support. Price can trap bears there. So we're either looking for a trap at 800 or down to here for buy opportunities to at least this resistance level and higher with Euro USD. Then we could wait for reaction here. If it rejects that, takes out the rejection, that will make it stronger. If it just breaks out without the rejection, we could look for the bull trap, just wait for price action, and that's that. That's Euro USD. Gold, similar story. Gold, bulls are very strong on gold. It's hard to find an entry with gold. You have to look for some sort of bear trap, you know, to one of these levels. It's 1900 I'm looking at. Even this trend line right here is being respected a couple times. I don't know if we're going to come down and retest that, but we're just basically waiting for price to come down, find some sort of support, take out rejections, and then look for the buy opportunity back up. Overall, I do see gold pushing to 1921 previous resistance levels, so we got to wait for price to react to there. On the daily chart, we took out this rejection at 1902, so look for reactions at 1902, probably this high or somewhere over here. That one right there, or wherever, right there, that's 1902. So you gotta wait for reaction 1902 instead of wait for a bear trap and boom. But yeah, it looks like we broke that trend line, so we might get a retest and then a push to that past high, which is, you know, obviously 1920, which is right there. It looks so little, but that's, look at this. Another 200 pips. It's crazy. Gold is crazy. So that's that, guys. Alright, so I don't want to say bye, but yeah, we're looking for a bear trap to here. GU, GJ, we're not doing anything. Euro USD, we're watching there and there. And gold, we're watching, you know, 1902 for bear traps at that level. Alright, guys, if you like this video, please smash the like. We'll see you next week. Have a good day. Have a good weekend.